7S Pro E is based on top 7 strategies, and in this video I will discuss all these strategies in detail with you and explain you how you can get this EA and how you can use it. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome to TradingBotLab and I'm your host Abdul. Let's move to my screen, and here you can see on the website tradingbotlab.com. Here you can see the link and the report store. On this store you can see all the available reports by the TradingBotLab. So in this video we are going to discuss about the 7S Pro, and here I will click on it and let's open the next page where I can manage the license of the 7S Pro. From here you can download the EA, and here you can add the account number which you want to use. For example, your trading account number is something like that. You will add license. For now only 2 licenses are allowed for every user, so for now I will simply delete it, and you can change the number. Here all these details you can check. Now let's move up and download the EA file. I will simply click on the download EA file, and once the file is downloaded you simply need to click here, go to the download folder where the file is downloaded. This is a zip file and this will not work in the empty file. You simply need to click on it and extract all, and then extract. Replace the file in the destination if you have with the same name. Here is the EA, this file. Let me explain you one thing. Here is the folder, the normal folder, and here is the zip folder. If you double click on it and try to copy this file, it will not work. Okay, so you first need to extract all, and once the folder is extracted and it will become a simple folder, after that you will click on it and then you will copy this file to use in the MT5. Okay, so now let's move to the MT5. Here is my MT5. I will simply go to the file, the data folder, and then go to the M2L5 here, the experts, and here open. I will simply paste this Control V. The file is here now. I will close this one and then go here in the expert advisor, right click on it and refresh. Once I refresh it, I will close all these open folders. So here is the 7S Pro. When I drag and drop this file on chart in the inputs, so now you simply need to right click on it and then copy. Once copy, cancel this, go to the tools, options, and expert advisors, and here you will add allow web requests. Okay, so check this one, add new, double click on it. I will right click on it and paste, and then I will click a little bit here. Okay, so this website is added, and after that click OK. Now this EA will work on your MT5 terminal. If you not add the website into your MT5 terminal as allowed website, this EA is not going to work in any case. Okay, so when you click on it like OK, it will not work. It gives this alert: the account is not added in license manager. This will not work here because I have not added this account number in the dashboard on the website. So what I need to do is I need to copy this, I need to copy this one. I will go back to the website, and here I will add this number in the 7S Pro, Control V, and then add license. Okay, so the license is added now successfully. Again, I will come here and try to apply this EA on the chart. Let's see what happened. Now this time I click on it and press OK. Now let's see what happened. I'm doing this for testing purpose. Okay, I'm just explaining you how you need to set up. So the EA is loaded successfully, and that's it. Now it will work. You can click on the algo trading. Here, one more thing you need to notice: if the color of this cap is white, gray, or the blue color. Okay, if it's not blue, this means this EA is not working. Even you allow or not, no matter, you need to see here. For this, you simply need to right click on it, go to common and allow algo trading from here, and then press OK. Now the EA is working. Okay, I have explained you all about this EA and how you can use, how you can get it, how you can manage the license, and how you can apply it on the chart from start to end. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want the best input settings of this EA to be published on the website, let me know in the comment section. For now, that's it, and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.